How to unsubscribe from all of your YouTube channels at once. How to unsubscribe from all of your YouTube channels at once. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you have subscribed to some of the unnecessary YouTube channels and you want to unsubscribe from all at once, here is a quick fix. So for this, you require a script. For that, you can check on the description box and copy it. After that, open your YouTube and then go to YouTube/feeds/channels. Now, right-click on the page and then click on Inspect. After this, you have to click on the Console option. Once you click on Console, click on the space where there is the cursor. Right-click and click on Paste. Once that is done, click on Enter button and you will see you will be automatically unsubscribed from all your channels. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.